always the spirit of age, rightly said by B.R. Ambedkar. National Law Day, also known as Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas, is celebrated in India on 26 November every year. This day marks the adoption of Indian Constitution in 1949, which is the cornerstone of India's democracy.
The Constitution was drafted by a committee chaired by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution. The Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution on November 26, 1949, and it came into effect on January 26, 1950, which is now celebrated as Republic Day.
National Law Day is celebrated to honor the hard work and vision of the leaders who created the guiding principles of the nation. On this day, people across the country celebrate by reading the preamble of the Constitution and organizing various events. Schools, colleges, and government institutions hold special programs to educate people about the Constitution and its importance.
The Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution of any sovereign country in the world. It is a vital document that ensures justice, liberty, and equality for all citizens, and its principles are still celebrated and observed today.